My name is Julio, is Mike, bueno, Miguel, Kevin, and Javier, and we are going to talk about noise pollution. But first, I'm going to talk. I want to tell you what a pollution is. A pollution is an excess, is an introduction or a contamination that change their life they change the animal or human life. Pollution can take form in chemical substance or energy like light or noise. And today we're going to talk about noise. Noise pollution is the disturbing or the excessive noise in the environment that harms human and animal life. We have two kinds of noise pollution. First is outdoor noise like bus, train, car, like boat, airplane or helicopter. This is something that is out of our house. And the other is the indoor pollution because the washing machine, vacuum, TV, and this pollution, when some poor country, poor towns are bad localized near a big city, and so can disturb the life in that town. The noise pollution may cause cardiovascular effects, rise in blood pressure, stress, and vasoconstriction in human and in animals. Stress maybe die or the hearing loss. And okay. Yeah.
I'm going to talk about the causes of the noise pollution. The first is the social events, like concerts, like World Cups, and that kind of events that there are a lot of people in a place doing something or whatever. The next is transportation, like airplanes, cars, trains, and I think the airplane is the most noisy when it's near from you, and the car is normal. You live with the car every day, and it's normal for us. The next is construction. It's annoying, I think, because it's all the day doing a lot of noise, and something in the night maybe they do noise too. And the last one is industrialization. This maybe doesn't make a lot of noisy because it's not near from our houses. They are in the circle around the city, and they doesn't annoy us. Well, the effects of the noise pollution, like as Abdulio said, there are hearing problems when you are in places that make a lot of noise, and you maybe lost the hearing skill when you're exposed to the noise. The next is sleeping disorder. Maybe not all the people suffer this effect because I don't suffer this. Maybe there is music and I can sleep well. The effect of wildlife to the animals is very annoying because they have another kind of hearing. They have in another level they can hear some noises that we can hear, and trouble communication is when you are talking to someone and there are a lot of noisy and you can hear the other people, and that's are the causes and effects.
I'm going to talk about how to prevent the noise pollution. First is that understand what causes. We need to prevent to push the claxons in the cars and to not use motor cars, prefer bicycle or only in moments necessary. To avoid the loud music is in the cars. It is common to have loud music and preferable to prevent. Where to worst, like in a places that have sounds too loud, we use earplugs that prevents to the person that no affects your ear. And the motor of the car, the engine, is the most common, the most contaminated, because you need there's too loud some cars that are old, and you need to have to give us maintenance
and the last one is very important. Turn off your engine of your car when you're not using it. And then you stay in the car and
yes.
besides contaminating the air with the emission of gases, you also produce
the remedial that in the domestic, in the home, we have domestic things that are too loud, the mixer, a washer, machine, the TV, the radio is to the TV and the radio to have a very low volume. Well, the automobile that I say that to prevent to have thing to the cars, and the machines is like the cars that you have to give the machine in the industry. The tree is more important that because the tree absorb the noise pollution. They absorb, and the industry is more recommended to be where the trees are there. Prohibition of the loudspeaker. The more contaminating is sound too loud.
Do you know that loudspeakers are prohibited here in Florida? Yes, they are absolutely prohibited. If you have a neighbor or a business, a shop or a store that has loudspeakers, you can call the police and they come to stop the music. I have done it. And we come with so please don't do that next to my house because I call. Now it is forbidden.
Well, for the conclusion, I want to say a small comment.
Yes.
You knew that the level of conversation between the people should be 16 decibels, and this is the optimum volume that the people need to talk. Well, if you do the experiment in some place, you could watch that the sound it's more than 70, and this is a big problem because it's more than the normal. Well, the noise pollution is becoming a big problem. The ignorance of this problem makes us immune of this problem. we just have to raise awareness and contribute with a little of the a little effort. Well, the noise pollution is a global and complex problem, but it's defined, definitive, definitively, a matter of personal attitude. We must educate and promote some citizenship, always with a positive attitude. And so all of this problem depends on all of us to have a wider human and healthy future. So, thank you.
Do you have a question?